In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit your DTW workshop assignment on Coursera. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to prepare, and how to make sure your work is sent for peer review without any hiccups. First, start by opening the invitation link you received specifically for this DTW workshop. Use that link to access the course, rather than going through the main Coursera website. This ensures you land in the right class space and see the correct assignments connected to your workshop. Once you're in the course, head to the relevant module and open the assignment you need to submit. You might see titles like Introduction to FET or Whole Class with FEAH. Open the exact assignment so you see the correct instructions, files, and submission area. Before you submit anything, complete the work as directed. Download the provided template file from the assignment page. Fill in every required section, such as goals and strategy, following the prompts included in the template. Keep your responses clear and aligned with the assignment criteria. When you're done, save your document on your computer. Exporting or saving as a PDF is often recommended because it preserves your formatting. Give the file a clear, recognizable name so you can find it quickly, and store it in a folder you can easily locate later. Now return to the assignment page and open the My Submission tab. This is where you'll upload your completed work. Click the blue Upload button, then browse to the file you just saved and select it. Wait for the upload to finish. Larger files can take a moment, and it's best not to navigate away until you see it attached. Next, add the required details. Provide a concise title for your submission so it's easy to identify in the review queue. You'll also see a checkbox for the Coursera Honor Code. Check this box to confirm that the work you're submitting is your own and follows academic integrity guidelines. When everything looks correct, click Submit for review. This sends your assignment to the peer grading system. After submitting, you should see a confirmation on the page. If you don't, refresh and confirm your file appears under your submissions. A few quick tips before you go. Always use the invitation link to avoid access issues. Double check that you uploaded the final PDF, and keep a local backup of your file. If anything seems off, revisit the assignment page to confirm the instructions and template match what you completed. That's it. You're ready to submit your DTW workshop assignment on Coursera with confidence.